planting the seed, nigga, no. Influenced by Houston, hear it in my music. A trill nigga to the truest, show you how to do this. My old gold grills give her cold chills. Says she got a coke feel, cause I'm so trill. Two dope boys scale, but I sold pills. No deal, put her on her feet, toenails. Them vampires, them bloodsuckers, them thirsty killers. We bout it, we routed, that Percy Miller. No really real, we chill, don't sport chinchilla. My bounty hunter's a bounty killer, I'm bout my Skrilla. Give me the title, then give me the cash. Put it in back and I'm up to the trap. Full of my stash, shit in my swag. Niggas is wicked and whack. Like crisscross, her lip gloss. Slip-ons get slipped off, my bitch boss, Crystal. We smoking that thing and we burning the hatch. Puffing in pads, making it last. Walking my shoes and the cross in my pad. Game was for grabs, thinking them crash. Took in the snatch and then giving it back.
Fuck the money, fuck the fame, this is real life. An insight to my trill life.